everybody, and welcome to the Makers of Minnesota podcast, where we talk to cool people doing cool things. And there's nothing cooler than your pets, right? Everybody's crazy about their dogs and their cats. I was just on a trip for 10 days away from my dog, and I got home and he has not stopped like being by my side ever since. I think I'm giving him a complex because I keep leaving. But I am here with Heather Johnson, and she's from the company Create It. She does sales and marketing for a product that's specifically for pets called Wet Dog. Hello, Heather. Thanks for joining us.
Hello, thank you for having me.
So, what do you think it is about pets and dogs in particular that we are so obsessed and have to buy like all these fancy products for them?
Well, I think it's first and foremost the unconditional love. Pets just bring so much joy to us, and we want to give them everything we can because they're just so loving to us, and they really enhance our lives.
Don't you think too, like, I don't know, maybe it's just because I had a dog for 18 years that died and then I rescued another dog. And this dog is fairly, I'm just gonna say needy, not in a bad way. He just really likes me and really wants to be with me all the time. And my other dog was a lot more independent. And I also think like COVID, we spent 2 years with our furry animals, and in a lot of instances, they were our only people that we interacted with, or not people, but they just gave us so much joy during a time. Many of us spent a lot more time outdoors with our pets. It just really feels like coming out of COVID, people's pets mean more to them than ever.
Yeah, definitely. I know you have extra bonding time. You're sitting on the couch, you're watching TV with them. There was a lot more walks going on.
Yes.
Just a lot more time to kind of enrich their lives with our presence as well.
Can you tell me
Um,
a little bit about the formulation about wet dog products in particular and why it's cool that they're made here. I love that they're made in Minnesota. But what is it like? I don't even know, like some people don't even wash their dogs, right? They just either take them to a salon or once a year they get thrown into the lake.
yeah. Well, our pet product is super cool because we have flower power in it. And that just simply is the essence of rescue remedy. So during the bath, people get anxious too because we're not used to bringing our pet to the bathroom. And so they kind of feed off of that. So it's relaxing for both the pet owner and for the pet.
And you've got a
So,
shampoo, a conditioner, and is there another type of spray too?
yep, we have a detangling spray and it's like a skin conditioner as well. So it helps for dry, itchy, or flaky skin.
When you have pets, like how often should you be bathing them?
Well, that's going to depend upon your pet. Sometimes you have a guy that loves to get outside and roll around in the dirt and mud and just kind of be adventurous. Those pets, our product is safe to use on them as much as you'd like because it is all natural. We've taken out all of the parabens, sulfates, peanut, wheat, gluten, and dye. And so, again, it's safe for your pet to use every day. It has a very high quality of oatmeal protein. So it's excellent for their skin and their coat. And then you could just have a guy that's real, wants to be a lap dog. I think at your own discretion, if you notice like that wet dog smell, maybe you might want to consider a bath.
Yeah.
And those littles, call it a spa day and make it real special for them.
Oh, that's cute. I never thought about that, giving the old Stanley a spa day, but I suppose why not?
Exactly.
Is there a competition? Is this a competitive market, this product?
I would say that shampoo in general is kind of competitive. It's kind of hard to, reinvent the wheel for shampooing, so to say. But what really makes us stand out is that our product is 100% sourced in the United States. As you know, in the United States, we have very high standards when it comes to what goes into products that we use on our body or consume. So you're guaranteed that you're going to have nothing but high quality ingredients, and you're going to be supporting a family owned business in the United States and in Minnesota.
So when you are going into your sales and marketing pitch, like, is it, do you try to get this product on like more boutique stores, or are you like trying to get it into the PetSmarts of the world? And how challenging is it for a small business to compete with, some of the bigger guys?
Well, we're in the process of doing a lot of marketing locally. We have partnered with Jerry Super Value, so we're working in local family-owned businesses at this
Yeah.
time. But yeah, it is a competitive market, and making yourself stand out is something that you have to work on daily. You have to build trust with the consumer, and you have to back your product. You have to, every day go out and give the best of the best to everybody, or otherwise, if you lose trust, you're not going to make it very far.
Right. And is there other like product lines or extensions that you guys have explored? Or I love it that you're at Jerry's Super Value. They do a really good job of supporting Minnesota makers,
Yes, they
and
do.
they're a great family business as well. But can you like, is it hard to get traction, or can you get traction with a couple products and then expand the line? Or is the goal really to just get these three items in as many stores as possible?
You know what? We're always looking at growing our brand. We're always looking at, what do our pets need? Things evolve, and we want to keep a pulse on the industry so that we can be competitive in the marketplace. So I would say we're always looking to grow. We're always looking to improve our product. And, with that in mind, we keep our eyes wide open in the industry so we can again be competitive.
What's your biggest marketing challenge so far?
Oh gosh, our biggest marketing challenge so far, I would say, is just really getting the word out to all the people, not just in Minnesota, is growing our product brand throughout the United States. And by doing that, we have started working with USA made products. We're talking right now with the Army and the Air Force Reserves to be in their PX stores for American made products, as well as in the New York market. We're in the Made in the USA store, which is pretty cool.
Yeah, that is cool. When you think about just how different it is, like, because you're not really marketing to dogs, you're marketing to the families of dogs. Is it women or men, or who's your primary target?
Oh gosh, I think it's pretty equal between men and women. You would be surprised when we're at the state fair in the pet pavilion that it's across the board. Anybody who loves their pet has a ton of questions for us. They want to know about our product line, and they will spend 10 more dollars on their pet every single time if it's for the best interest of their pet.
Yeah,
So
probably
yeah,
more than they would spend on themselves in some cases.
absolutely. I have definitely seen that.
Is the pet pavilion a sales opportunity for you, or do you use it as marketing, or both?
I would say both. We've been at the Minnesota State Fair since 2012. We see a lot of repeat people that will come in that have to show us pictures of their pet every year, where they've been with their pet every year. And so the connection with everybody in Minnesota is fantastic. We love getting out and shaking hands and, meeting everybody and hearing their pet stories. And then, of course, we also take the opportunity to sell our product and get it in the hands of pet parents everywhere so that they can go home and again do the spa day with their fur baby.
If people want to try a wet dog right now, besides Jerry's, what's the best way for them to get it?
They can go online, wet-dog.com, and they can order from us. What's super cool about that is that with every online order, we give 5% back to a dog rescue every month. This month it's Paws for Paws. And like I said, so if you order directly from us, we do give back to pet charities. And also, you can find a list of all of our retail partners on our social media as well as on our website.
I love it. And what's your social media handle so people can follow you guys?
It is Wet Dog, WETDOG.
Okay, simple as that. All right,
Simple as
Heather.
that.
Yeah, well, I'm excited. I'm going to check out your products. Hopefully, I'll get a chance to get by your booth at the fair and get to
Oh,
meet
I would love
you face
that.
to face. Yes, yes. Thank you for reaching out and thanks for being a Minnesota maker. We're excited about it.
Thank you so much. I was so happy to be here and meet you
Oh
today too.
yeah, for sure. Thanks, Heather.
Thank you.
Okay, bye-bye.